Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to type in the Windows search bar here on your Windows 11 computer. And if this isn't working, this is very easy to fix. Go ahead and press the Windows button and the R key at the same time and open up the Run window right here. Then what you want to do is type this in: C Windows System 32 ctfmon.exe. Then simply go to OK and select this. Then what you could do is restart your computer, or you could try typing in the search window bar right here. So let's just type something in, and it's working very easily for me. So all you have to do is press Windows R and then type in that command, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.